Okay. November 6th, back for the PM here. What's just a quick market review of the day. Not much has changed since then. Working on an inside day on ESYM. I'm not sure actually. I look short, yep. Inside day. Dollar just took a low, small range after large range days. Expansion week last week. It's expected Monday, no news. And then tomorrow, as long as we close like this, be interested to see what side we swipe first. Everything can change by the AM session. If we do dip down here, I'll be looking at this as a buying opportunity. If we don't dip here, I could see us swipe these highs. Probably just we'd be looking to hunt these here. We're taking a low. We might just be a straight run up into here before any retracement. Still kind of anticipating though a retracement before we go up here. Dollar bouncing off this wick here. This is the low we're going to watch coming into tomorrow. If we do retrace when the dollar trades up into here, as long as we want to see some swift rejection, and I'll feel a lot better about this buy side balance being a buy. Take us up. We could retrace, pull up into here, look through a couple days, consolidate here before going higher. But this is really the area I'll be watching. Go to NASDAQ today. That'll be consolidation on around the new week opening gap here. We're going to consolidate this week. We're not going to rip in one direction. There's going to be a little give and take before we move any higher. Implied, you see here, 15. Apologies. Work it, takes us up high, click through a bunch, absorb some liquidity, break down into the PM, consolidate here. Of this wick here might be order block here. See the wick holding, retraces. 5 minute, I mean, just incredibly ugly. Consolidation up. Lunch here, there's a retracement before. And see where work retrace. Shift, look broken. Retrace, now retrace. Taking out the overnight lows. This order block here. And then we had this run open PM session. Knowing the lack of news and lack of volatility and the large range yesterday, we should expect a small range. So this low will most likely hold for the rest of the day. We kind of see like this is a drive down, induce shorts, take liquidity, all these sell stops, reverse, run them, pair orders going on. Yes, this is where I'm expecting price to draw to still before we take the highs. This is a lineup with the buy side balance on the daily. There is clean lows down here, but I'm not expecting those to get taken down. I'm expecting us to leave those in place while we continue to run higher. Could very well start to retrace. I don't think we're quite done running highs yet. But I do think it'll be a lot of up and down around this new week opening gap before we get up in here. 1 hour SMT with NQ. Breaks down, retraces, delivers, retracing now to the 3 p.m. hour. We probably see some consolidation here. Oops. 15 minute. Right here, same thing. You'll see failed the swing high. NASDAQ took that. Buy side imbalance here. Trade through it, back up. Sends us down once fails this low. reverses back up. I'm still going to watch this area. You'll see there's a buy sign bounce here that overlaps. If this gets down under here and turns this into resistance, that'd be what you'd want to see. Anticipate this getting filled here, not filled, but price trading to this. So looking for something like and it can come back in, come down a little further here, back in, reject, and we'll see something like this. So something like that. What I expect to send us down here. This does hold the support and we start to push higher. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty much the line in the sand. Mark that up. And the 5 minute here. This is overnight here. We'll see clean lows. This up. Lows. Boom. We've got the 30 low, the key low. And news window low. Best I got at the moment. See, chop, 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 chop. Lunch starts. And we get a delivery leg. Consolidation all through the AM. We do get some in here, but it's just consolidation. Then we get a delivery. Delivery into 1320 here. Up, kind of like how I used the lunch reverse. You get a drive from 10 to 2, 2 hours. Here we get 12, basically 2 right here. Yeah, right after 2. Then you get a reversal and run on the stops of people that got short during. That's something I'll keep in mind, a scenario I don't know that I've really thought of before, where you get AM consolidation, lunch, drive, post 2 p.m. reversal. Something to keep in mind. Let's get down to the 1 minute here. Look at some. So we know we have SMT here, right? NASDAQ did not, or not make a higher high. Okay. And then on the NASDAQ, there's also SMT. If we NASDAQ here, see higher high there. Okay. So we get the failed swing here, consolidation overnight pop. People are expecting longs after a bullish week. This is to trap, tracement. I can do this. Civi completely respects DE. Breakdown. You have this candle here. Immediate rebalance. If we were going to run higher, this immediate rebalance would have price is balanced. CE of this right below, come back up, retest, boom, delivery right into our AM news low. Get a retracement here. Not 100% certain what we're retracing to right here, be told. If we figure that out. Right here, like CE of this 5 minute wick right there. So let's go back. Oops. CE of this wick immediate rebalance lower. CE of the 5 minute wick here down, back up into it. These currently equal lows, they're leaving right around the low. enter here is the best, in my opinion, targeting this. I like that trade setup the most. Back up though, 10 a.m. Right back in the CU, the 5-minute wick. Break down, SIBI, sell it, slam through these lows, and through these relative lows here. That's one setup. We get the drive into 10 a.m. I'll leave these here. See we work this low. Now we have a breaker. Right? Breaker here. Boom. Cleared here. These relative equal highs. Just begging. Right? Begging to be held. Break high. Breaker. Comes back in. Works inside, doesn't break below. This is what I would watch. You have this buy-side balance and overlapping as well. Right at this old low too. Comes back, AM news low. There's a bunch of taps. Enter here comfortably. Stop below here. Wait for the run here. You could have targeted was low. Later in the day, don't really trade this hour. PM session, was watching this. CE here. Price showing a will retracement. Right. Here. Relative equal lows. Get short there. Target this. CE of this wick. Last target. I did have a trade on here. I was actually looking for this low to break and go a little bit lower. And I was watching NASDAQ here. I was looking to see if NASDAQ would also take out this low in ES, but ES never actually took out this low. In fact, ES took this low where the NASDAQ didn't. And then we saw a reversal come into play. We ended on stops. I guess that's just a time thing, given how long we had been running on a day that's not trending. This was 2 hours here, so shouldn't have expected much. Got out with some. We see a reversal here when we have this SMT at 2 p.m. probable low after 2 hours of a price run. Goodbye. High side balance here. Look to run stops. This quite a bit. Would have been a super move there. Not what I would have looked for. Which from wonder where that is in this price lag. Just below. That would have been a nice little play as well. Long here, stop below this low. Target. It's high. 329. Okay, that's all for today. Leave that there into tomorrow, see what happens. Mark it up again. Red. There, yellow. All right, well, leave myself there.